Okay, let's do this. Let's do something. We gonna make something today. Oh, we going to make this portfolio website like Arifur Rahman and put a picture of mine. Do something like this with AI. Of course, with AI. Let me take a screenshot. Now paste it to Gemini. Give me code for this. It's still preparing the code. I think it's ready. HTML. Is there any CSS for separate file? Yes. Okay. Paste it here on the CSS. Okay, on the CSS, we're gonna paste something here. Okay, let's see how it look like. Oh, practice. I think we have to put my picture here. Okay, where is my picture? Let's find out image. Control F. Where is IMG? I don't see any. Okay, I got it. IMG images. Uh, images profile pic, right? Control this one. Let me see my image come here. Yes, I got it. See? And now we're gonna make it. Let's just put my CV here, right? What is the CV thing? It should be above the picture, right? Download CV. Here I can add my CV. Oh, let me see. Refresh, download CV. Yes, it's downloading. Right, perfect. So now just we're gonna put this live on Netlify. I already have an account. We can do this with GitHub as well, but other simple option is Netlify. You can upload the file or the total folder and make it live. That's it. There you go. Our portfolio is live.